Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and hopefully helpful Corvette stuff. For today, I just want to tell you about the big event of the year that we are performing at. Appearing at. Performing. Anyway, we're going to be at Corvette Carlisle in 2024, like we were last year and like we have been for the last 30 years. The big difference for us this year, and this is really huge for us, and I have you guys to thank for that, we are going to be on the manufacturer's midway. We're not going to be down in the swap meet this year. We're not bringing a trailer full of old rusty fiberglass parts. Rusty fiberglass. I'm really not sharp today, am I? Anyway, we will be there August 22nd through the 24th at the Carlisle Fairgrounds in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. We will be having our own super cool tent set up on the midway at Carlisle with all the big boys, Callaway, Chevy, all those people, and then there'll be little bitty C&S Corvettes, but we will be there. We're bringing a bunch of cool stuff with us. Not really bringing any used parts this time. There may be the odd NOS thing or whatever, but most of what we're focusing on is going to be LED lighting, the products we make like the automatic shifter harness, seat track stuff, horn contacts, all the stuff that fixes problems. We're going to of course bring black books, and all Corvettes are red books, and if you want to buy one and you want me to autograph it, I'll be there to do it, so that'd be cool. We're also bringing C&S Corvettes t-shirts and hats, of course. And we are going to be introducing our new t-shirt here in the next week or so, and it is going to not be a black t-shirt, it is going to be gray, and it is going to feature another artist rendering from our local artist Thomas Beasley of a 63 split window at Sebring back in the 60s. So can't wait for you to see it. It's one of my favorite designs that he did, and I'm really excited to share it with you. Other good news, Solar Performance LLC is going to be joining us on site. They're going to be taking some of the space in our tent. We've worked closely with them doing things like our solar throttle programmers that you guys like, and they also specialize in custom-made throttle bodies. Now, we don't do a whole lot with performance installations here because we don't have a dyno and stuff like that, but if you want to talk to the most knowledgeable people we know in the business regarding throttle bodies, custom throttle bodies, what works with what's the best for your setup, Solar is the guys to talk to, and they're going to be with us in our tent. So we look forward to seeing them there, and hopefully they can help you with your performance upgrades. One of the centerpieces of our show this year is going to be Steve's 2012 Supersonic Blue Grand Sport, which is going to be in the middle of our tent, mainly because it's got all the aftermarket LED lighting that you could possibly imagine on it, and it's just generally a really beautiful car. Plus, selfishly, I actually wanted to be in the Corvette parade one time in a Corvette. So we're doing that, and that's going to be fun. I can't wait. The parade is awesome. See a couple pictures of it that Alan's put behind me here. But yeah, that's so good. Yeah, basically that's it. 22nd through the 24th of August, we will be there. And as soon as I get the space numbers, the allotments and stuff, I will share them with you. But I know I met a bunch of great people there last year. I'm really looking forward to meeting even more of you this year, since we're going to be more accessible up where most of you are going to be. So, that's the good news. See you in 3 months. Bye.